Good morning, students. Today I will teach you chapter 10 of Fun with Grammar book, that is adverb and adverbial. So adverb, you might be knowing what is an adverb. An adverb adds more information about a verb, जिसको हम हिंदी में क्रिया विशेषण कहते हैं. क्रिया विशेषण किसी भी वर्ब के बारे में बताता है कि वर्ब कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ और कहाँ हुआ. तो ऐसे वर्ड्स जो बताएं कि एक्शन कब हुआ उसको हम बोलते हैं एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम, और ऐसे एडवर्ब जो बताएं कि वर्क कैसे हुआ उसको हम एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर बोलते हैं, और एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस बताता है कि वर्क कहाँ हुआ. This is the picture of a boy who is eating ice cream. So let's use few adverb to describe this action. The boy is eating ice cream greedily. The boy is eating ice cream now. The boy is eating ice cream outside. Here we see that the words like greedily, outside and now are telling us the time, the manner and the place of action. What is action? That is eating ice cream. So in this way we see that all these three little words are adverb. And adverb adds more information about adjective also. That means it describes adjective. It simply tells to what degree. For example, here we see the picture of tea. The tea is hot. Now we will use many adverb to describe the degree of heat. We will add the adverb like the tea is rather hot, the tea is very hot, the tea is extremely hot, the tea is fairly hot. Now we see that the words like fairly, very, rather, extremely, they are telling about the degree of the heat. An adverb adds more information about another adverb. That means an adverb can describe another adverb in the same sentence. So let's see an example. Ma'am explained nicely. Here we see that nicely is an adverb. In second sentence, ma'am explained very nicely. The word very is describing nicely. It's telling the degree of the adverb. So in this way we can see that adverb can be used in many ways, and there are many functions of an adverb in English grammar. तो चलिए हम देखते हैं कि एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी किसे कहते हैं. ठीक है, ये नॉर्मली बताता है कि एक्शन कितनी बार हुआ. फ्रीक्वेंसी एडवर्ब टेल्स हाउ ऑफन वी डू द एक्शन. एक्शन को हम कितनी बार करते हैं. चलिए इसको हम एक डायग्राम से समझते हैं. 0% के लिए हम यूज करते हैं नेवर, 5% के लिए रेयरली, 50% के लिए यूज करते हैं समटाइम्स, 90% के लिए यूज करते हैं यूजुअली, और 100% के लिए यूज करते हैं ऑलवेज. तो दीज आर एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. एग्जाम्पल लिखते हैं. आई ऑलवेज ड्रिंक कॉफी, आई रेयरली ड्रिंक कॉफी, आई नेवर ड्रिंक कॉफी. सो द वर्ड्स लाइक always, rarely and never are the example of adverb of frequency, as they are showing the frequency of the verb and telling that how often the action is repeating. So now let's discuss about adverbial. What is an adverbial? So sometimes we see that we use a phrase in a sentence which replaces an adverb and tells about the time, manner and place of a verb. Such phrases are called adverb phrases or adverbial. So let's see few examples. She lives without being dependent on anybody. Here we see that the phrase without being dependent on anybody is giving the answer of how she lived. She lived independently. So simply we can say that this phrase is replacing an adverb, and that is adverb of manner. So in this way we can say that this phrase is an adverbial in the sentence. So let's see other example. The cat ran across the road. Here we see that the phrase across the road is showing the place of the action. What is the action? The action is run. So in this way we can say that it is replacing the adverb of place. This is also an example of adverbial. Ria learnt to ride bicycle over the time. Here, over the time, the phrase over the time is showing the time of the action. What was the action? The action was learning. So in this way we can say that a phrase that replaces an adverb of time, manner and place are called adverbial, and they are also called adverb phrases. So in this way we can easily distinguish between an adverb and an adverbial.